What's good, superstars? Back with another Veve video. We got Superstar Joe and we got Superstar Rob in the house.
How you
How's
doing?
it going, Rob?
Good. I'm excited for this one again. Some more
No
news today.
drop today. Had that trigger finger going at 11 o'clock, but no drop. Nothing today. But we do have one tomorrow. And we kind of missed something yesterday when we were talking about it. It is the Marvel Premiere number 21, Iron Fist. And it's the first appearance of who was it? The first appearance of again? First
Was
appearance
it
of Misty Knight.
right?
So what we missed yesterday is the line item that said it was super limited. I think
Yeah.
somebody pointed out. Do you have their name offhand or no?
So, I have a couple of people. So we had one commenter who I'll find, but the other one was a superstar Richie Stormborn. He said, "Hey guys, just letting you know, Misty Knight is a character mainly in the Luke Cage comics. If you've seen the Netflix series Luke Cage, she has a major role and she is a badass. I'm not gonna sleep on her liking these Black History Month themed comics. So thank you, Superstar Richie, for letting us know because at the time I think I said maybe it was Daredevil or something, but it looks like she made her mark in the Luke Cage series, and
Yeah.
we'll see how that ends up.
So I think it's going to be a tough one to get. Obviously, 10K to have 10K mints is really tough already. With 30K, it's impossible. So if you're able to grab one of these, you're going to get a nice payday for sure off the drop, off the rebound, anything like that. I think it will be too tough for me to get into for my MCP strategy, especially to have it in the top 5% of mints. Just because that means it would have to be numbered under 500, and that's going to be really tough. It's already hard enough to get a 3-digit. To get it under 500, it could happen. It could happen, as you'll see at the end of this video where we talk about things that could happen. But yeah, I don't think that I'm going to be too lucky with a drop, but who knows? We're going to try for it. We're going to try for every drop. Someone said that in the comments too. Try for every drop because they got one after not getting one for a while.
Yeah, and two things. One is that it's ranked a C on VV rank, so maybe because they're recognizing this character is a little bit less significant compared to some other lead roles, so they
Mm-hmm.
put him as a C. And since it's a first appearance, I guess it's not a D, right? So they
Yeah.
brought it one higher. Also, superstar Alex Arias, he's the one that pointed out that it was a limited edition drop, so it was probably 10K. So thank you for that again in the comments.
Yeah. And here's the breakdown, I guess, for the 10K editions if you haven't been here for one of them, because it's been a while since we got one of these. I don't remember the last one. But
Yeah,
anyway, 6,000 for the classic common, 2,250 for the uncommon, 1,000 for the rare. So that's even another big deal. It's going to be hard to get a cheap rare, guys. Don't expect
yeah,
it. Ultra rare 500 and secret rare 250. So very
yeah.
limited.
No way this is going to be under $50 or even at 60 or
Yeah.
70. It's going to be up there.
Yeah. If it is, I'm buying 20 of them.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
All right. So the
So
next thing
limited.
that Vivi tweeted about was this Inked Stories Eve colorized physical collectible redemption. So they tweeted this. If you were part of the Designer Con drop, you would have recognized this collectible. So now they're saying if you own one, you're going to be able to buy the physical version of it, the
Yeah,
matching physical version.
it's super interesting. Like we always knew that they were going to do something like this. We always expected that kind of utility to come in. You can gain access if you own this certain NFT. You can gain access to certain things. I guess this is what I would it be not really the first one, but I think it's the first one that at least I remember where you can actually go and buy something because you have this, like putting aside movie tickets
Yeah, it's
with
some kind of
the double
utility. It's
seven.
a utility that people always been rumoring utility. I don't think anybody really rumored utility on this particular item,
Yeah,
but it appears that you need to have it by the 21st. Let me know if I'm wrong. Just skim through this quickly, but it looks like you kind of have to fill out this form by the 21st of February,
wow,
9 a.m. So you probably have to own it by then because you have to give them your Veve account, email. You have to tell them the number. You have to give them all these details. And even then, you have to purchase the item. So it's not like you're getting it for free. It just gives you access to purchase it. So I was kind of, I don't know, I didn't get it that much, to be honest with you. I feel like they should kind of reward the people who managed to grab one or snag one up. And I'm not sure if the people know about that they actually still have to purchase if they own this. I don't know if people thinking maybe they're going to get one for free, because it seems like you have to purchase it. And the only way to purchase it, see how to purchase, um, is if you own one. So this is the website that you would go to, the Mighty Jacks, after you submit your stories, I guess, or whatever. They'll give you details, I'm sure. But this is what it looks like, the physical. It's pretty good looking little character here, but it's not a free thing. You gotta own it, and then you gotta buy it on top. And I didn't see anything about the price. If it's anywhere, if anybody knows the
Doesn't
price,
say it.
let us know in the comments. I
Yeah.
tried finding it, but it doesn't look like it's out yet. So that's another thing. It's even more speculation.
Well,
But
I'm sure there was tons of people who probably own this already that still don't even know, or maybe will never catch that
exactly.
announcement. There's not that many mints of this. So if you want to pull over to my screen here,
Yep.
this is a very limited collectible. It only has 888, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Mints. So it's actually the top collectible gainer right now, based within ecomi wiki. You can filter by top gainers. It's the number one gainer with the pretty much a 38% increase. You can see that chart just spike up. So it looks like that announcement definitely moved the market. I think there's some collectors out there, they may not even really care about this collectible. They just want to go and buy it because in their mind, this might be the first physical collectible that was done through Veve association. So looks like there's definitely been some price movement, right? It's gone up over $1,000, whatever, 1,200 to maybe 2,000, and it might keep going. I don't know. We'll see over the next few days up to February 21st.
Yeah,
Um,
we do know that there's the Todds and the Batman Black and White physical collectibles, but I think what you're referring to is the first one that they've given the opportunity to purchase
right.
only by owning the VV NFT. So it is definitely an added utility. I mean, you can buy the Todd Batman without owning the Todd.
Right.
So um,
That's exactly it. Like I don't remember any other collectible giving you access to buy something if you own it.
yeah, yeah. Let us know if there is. I'm sure that there's been other perks to having collectibles on VV. Just not sure if this specific perk has been one of them.
Yeah.
Anyway, you want to go through that market there while you have it up, maybe show a couple of the other gainers.
Sure. If you scroll through this pretty quickly, the next one over here. I mean, I don't think it's actually in. I don't know if it's really in order. It kind of bounces back and forth, but it maybe it's filtered by absolute dollar. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like that. Oh no, here's another one. The lightning board, secret rare, but these secret rares are super volatile. I don't know if maybe people are thinking that they're gonna do the same thing with other of the Comic Cons. So maybe they're branching out and buying other ones, thinking maybe that now they can get another
Ooh.
prize collectible, and this was the Ink Stories was just the first. Think anything else here that might perk people's interest? Really nothing too significant. But what I found more significant was actually on the loss side. If you go to top losers here,
Mm-hmm. Wow.
so like I mean, a lot of these collectibles have yet to recover from the Gem Squeeze event, and I don't know if they ever really will anytime soon. Especially some of these less popular ones, like the Ultraman poster, for example. It's always, Ultraman's always a very controversial figure. I mean, Deadpool, it's a rare Deadpool here, down 21%. I don't know. It's like these, we know Deadpool's a pretty popular character. These are for pretty affordable price ranges, right? So if you have someone new coming into VV right now, 122 gems really isn't that bad. You get a Deadpool. I know that with the Christmas sweaters and everything, people are a little bit less, interested in buying them, but still, like it's a rare FA, so it's definitely a good pickup if you can get it. Um, got some of the Harley Quinns out there. Other than that, I
Yeah.
don't really think there's anything else that specifically caught me out, other than one other, which is I'm just gonna go find them C3PO. So, because I was surprised that he actually, I think it was Assassin who tweeted that he has tanked recently because of the recent release of Disney Golden Moments.
Yeah.
So let's see if I can pull it up through here.
Yeah. You might have to go through the brands. I'll try and pull it up as well on my phone just to see the general pricing. I know that
Yeah,
he was down a little bit, but I don't know where he came from. Um,
yeah, he
currently
you
he's
got
at
it.
4,200.
Yeah,
I don't know how high he was. I know he was over 5,000 at one point.
yeah, like
But,
he was over, I think, at 5,500. Some people were speculating that recently over the last day he dipped a little bit because of the Donald Duck release.
could be.
But but he's gonna probably bounce right back anytime soon. So I wouldn't be
Yeah,
too worried about it.
especially if they bring out another Star Wars themed item by the end of the month. Like there's a lot of speculation on that. Who knows?
With the spice,
With the spice.
that they're gonna they'll bring it back
Okay.
out.
So why did you click the video? How do you get a Donald Duck for $2?
Yeah,
I think the best way would be to ask our friend here, Ashley Serrano, Koala Hole. Um, as you can see here, well, that happened 2 months ago. Nothing on drops, and I get Donald and Daisy, and then this, and she posts a screenshot of her selling her Donald and Daisy for $2.56. That fee though, 24 cents. So guys, this is something that we've seen a lot of actually. If you've been on the app and there's drops that go for over 1,000 in the market, some people rather than writing 1,000, they'll write like 1.2 or 1.3, whatever they're trying to sell it for. They don't realize that they're listing it for just $1 or something like that. So this was unique. I've yet to see one in the $2 range. But they're there. And if you're scrolling through the market right after a drop, there is the opportunity. And I'm sure it's an equal opportunity for everybody. If you're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and it pops up, whoever hits it first is going to get it for $2. So if you guys want to get some cheap collectibles, you got to practice your finger speed and try and get into these collectibles that drop, because it happens every drop. Someone always lists, under lists by accident. And this is an example. Koala Ho Serrano Ashley. Go follow her on Twitter. I went in the DMs there. I said, congratulations, because you'll see why. But I said, can I share your story? And she said, yeah, no problem. And she's explaining to me over here who did what. So I just wanted to show that she gave permission for us to share the story. And this is basically what happened. She posted it for that price. And Parology ends up responding to her, check your Veve account now. And bam, she has a Donald and Daisy in the account. And I thought, like, this is ridiculous. This is this shows the true kindness that there is in the Veve fam. Everybody, you guys should be proud to be part of this family. People are out there just looking out for each and everyone's best interest. Parology was just, I talked to them too. Incredible. In the DMs. I talked to Parology. I said, what's going on? They're like, we don't like to see people upset. So make sure you go follow Parology on Twitter. Look, they're following us because we had that conversation today. Great account. And they helped out Ashley over here. Another great account. Go follow her. Get her up there to 200 at least. But guys, they gave her a free Donald and Daisy to make up for the mistake that she made. And that's amazing. That's just like a feel-good story.
It's such a feel-good story. Like, to think that there's people out there who would hand you over just a free like $2,000 collectible.
Yeah.
Especially a Disney Golden Moment first appearance. Of course, we all know how significant this is to so many collectors. What a great story. And I've seen it so many times. Like, I went into the secondary market a bunch of times, and it always happens every so often, especially after a drop. You're refreshing, and you'll just see a ridiculously mispriced collectible. You try to buy it, you'll never really get it. So I think it's just pure luck of the draw, just to be able to get in there.
You can get it if you're fast enough.
I think so. I think it's someone's getting it. There's someone out there getting it. It just hasn't been me. But that doesn't mean you can't get it, right? Somebody's
in this particular
getting it.
Case, it was A Glove. A Glove got this one.
A Glove, yeah.
So
they lucked out.
But on top of that, she doubled her luck, and Kobe Collects came in and sent her a black cat. So she ended up from having no Donald and Daisy to having a Donald and Daisy and a black cat. So shout outs to Kobe Collects. Go sub to him. Go follow him on the Twitter as well. And then when you're done doing all that, you might as well go follow us, Superstar Money _ on Twitter. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well for us. But look at this. She's still in shock. This is 21 hours ago. She's still in shock. Parology, amazing account. Again, can't say enough about it. And look, even 2 hours later, she still can't believe it. 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
She's just in shock. So guys, make sure you go check out all these guys. And the community is amazing. And that's why we love being a part of it.
Yeah, on the flip side, if you're watching this video, I mean, I'm sure many people watching, it's not their first rodeo, but if you sell something, like, double check Make sure you double check. Look at that number to make sure you type in what you have to type in properly.
This
But
goes as a PSA for sure.
yeah, that for sure. So if you haven't already, join the Superstar fam. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Let us know anything. Like we just shouted out a couple of superstars for giving us some comments on our last video, and we want to shout them out because we appreciate that. So let us know what you think below. We want to hear from you. We're going to respond to every single comment, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Love you. Bye.